Okay, so we're going to look at how to actually create the channel once you've figured out what your name's going to be. So you'll go ahead and go to YouTube, and you will go over to your account. All right, and you can go down to create a channel. It's that simple. So you go to create a channel. It's going to ask for your information, and you click create. What I like to do is I like to go over here instead, because I like to see things on a layout. I will go to switch account and down to view all channels. This way, if you have other channels, you can see them all kind of laid out in a little column sheet here. And then I will click on create a channel. And there you go. You'll add your channel name. So in this instance, I'm going to do Nanotuts. Yes, I understand. And create. And now you've just created your very own YouTube channel. It's that simple. As you can see, here's my channel name. There's my user ID. This is where I can upload a profile picture, customize the channel, manage videos. You can see the playlists that I have, channels, the about information, all specific to the channel we've just created. Now these will be populated shortly in another video. It also gives you the joined date, and this is going to be important. So when you look at a video and you see a video was uploaded or whatever, it tells you how old that particular video is. Same thing with the channel. People will see the age of your channel, and some people will use that to kind of determine whether you're an expert in your field or whatever. So don't wait till tomorrow. Go ahead and create yourself a channel today if you know the basic information, which is the most important information, having a decent channel name. So next time we're going to go through setting up your channel specifics and the settings for your channel. Stay tuned.